I bought this old media console for $20. And I'm going to show you how I turned it into something awesome. To make the entire process as quick and easy as possible, I partially disassembled the piece and removed any existing hardware. This included doorknobs, hinges, door stops, shelves, and shelf brackets, and tape. The old unit is made of MDF, so it has a smooth finish, so I had to sand the piece to prepare it for painting. Not only will this remove most scratches and scuffs, but this will also allow for the paint to hold onto something when it's brushed on. I used 220 grit sandpaper, which is rough enough to remove scuffs, but fine enough for a finish coat to be applied on top. This tricorn black paint, which will provide a contrast to how I plan to accessorize and decorate this piece. Usually it takes 2 complete coats to get the job done. To really spice this thing up, I'm installing some cane-inspired accents to the doors. Instead of using cane, I use fiddler's cloth, which is a cheaper alternative. This fabric-like material can be sliced with a fabric cutter. I intentionally cut out pieces bigger than the opening, which makes things easier for when I staple it together. When stapling it on, I put 1 staple in the top center of the door so I can firmly align the piece with a second staple on the bottom center. I then repeat these steps by applying staples centered on the sides. I then tack the rest of it together, ensuring the fiddler's cloth is nice and taut. I then cut off the excess fabric by running the cutter along the edges and finishing off the corners with a knife. Once the accents are installed and the paint is dry, I can start attaching all the hardware. Make sure to always keep track of what fasteners go where. There weren't too many moving parts involved in this project, so it was pretty easy installing things back to their original spots. Another upgrade made to this unit were the doorknobs. Instead of reusing the cheap small black knobs, I bought something more sizable and detailed that will add a little character to this piece. No project is complete until it's staged and decorated properly. Notice how I use one large statement piece and layer medium and smaller items in front of it. It's also important to consider the overall color palette among the piece itself. the decor items and surrounding furniture. I'm absolutely stoked with how this turned out. I also created the wood art piece, by the way. Let me know if you like it. I hope this brought some inspiration to your home, and as always, thanks for watching.